To my LGBTQIA plus community, listen to this. We are a community of normal, valid, able, capable, and beautiful human beings. And do not let anyone or any group tell us otherwise. Huwag tayong pumayag na basta nabubuhay lang. Yung nabubuhay ng wala lang. At para tayong mga nilalang na nilalang. Dapat tayong mabuhay ng may karapatan, may kalayaan, at may dignidad. Karapatan, kalayaan, at dignidad na maging ating tunay na sarili. Ang ating totoong sarili at pagkatao ay parang West Philippine Sea. Di nila pwedeng angkinin at baguhin. Kaya mabuhay ka, umaura ka, rumampa ka, bit-bit ang iyong karapatan, kalayaan, dignidad at proteksyon mula sa batas at pamahalaan. They said, and I believe, that a man is equal to the state and is equal to the church, therefore equal to any other man. Kaya ako po si Vice Ganda at makakaasa kayo na kasama nyo kung lalaban, aasa at sisigaw, ipasa ang SOGIE Anti-Discrimination Bill. And you don't have to change a thing, the world will change its heart. No scars to your beauty.